A girl was sitting on her sofa when she got an email which asked her to mention her login details. As soon as she mentioned her login details, she got another message that some error has been occurred. Within a few seconds of that message, she got another message which says that 15,000 rupees has been withdrawn from her bank account. Not only this, but a man from Maharashtra lost more than 2 lakh rupees by just booking an online cab through a phishing website. Now, what is phishing? Phishing means a fraud SMS, social media messages, mails, or any app message that asks the user to update their account details, change their password, or tell that their account has been violated. These kind of messages include links in them, and these links are used to extract the information of the user and to hack their data. On 3rd of March 2023, the Economic Times of India mentioned that about 30 crore people are vulnerable to phishing attacks in India, of which 5 lakh potentially fall into this trap. That's why cybersecurity has become very important nowadays. And taking this into consideration, our team, Syntax Terminator, headed by Abhinandan Khurana, came up with the idea of Fish Sluth, which is basically a web browser plugin which will detect the phishing websites, phishing emails, as well as messages that receive. It will give alert message to the user that this website is phishing or it is safe. These are the name of our Grow team members: Abhinandan Khurana, head of the team; Chaitanya, Darsh, Ashishdeep, Anurag, and Sahil Nikhil. This is how our website looks like. This phishing link detection and alert system is used to help individual and organization to protect themselves from phishing attacks. Phishing attacks are very common and growing threat to personal as well as business security, and they can result in loss of sensitive information, financial loss, and other consequences. Now, I want our team head Abhinandan Khurana to please proceed further.
All right. So thank you so much, Ashish, for giving the amazing introduction. So now we'll be moving forward to our tool, which is named as Sleuth. So I'll be taking you the walkthrough that how it works and how to actually install our Chrome extension plugin. So let's get started. So as you can see on my screen, this is my this GitHub repository, which is named as Sleuth, and you can see we have actually maintained all of the documentations on a GitHub repository. So it's an AI-enabled phishing link detection and alert system that also already Ash told you about. And so for getting it started, you can check out all the things, how it works and what are the things that we actually use on the backend, everything. So for getting started, first we will download the zip file of this repository, and it's getting downloaded. Or in the meantime, I'll show you how it is actually working. So we have our three. Is the file structure is we have the front end, which is basically our Chrome extension plugin. We have created an API for the backend, which basically uses our machine learning algorithm, and from there we fetch the data that we are providing the URL, and yeah, then it's going to detect how like is our website a phishing website or safe website or whatever. And then we have SMS and email spam detection. So our phishing, our site is now being downloaded. So let me show you in the download section, and yeah, it's over here. So now I'm going to go to my desktop and extract this file over my desktop. And, yeah. Okay, so we got fish over here, and this is now go to your extensions and Chrome extensions. You can directly go to here and manage extensions, and it will open this page only. And now what you can do is you can directly go to the load plugin, go to your desktop or wherever you have downloaded our Chrome repository, which is named as Fish Sleuth. And Yep, fish with main, and you have to select the front end folder. Please mark my words, you have to select the front end folder, select the folder, and extension loaded successfully, as you can see over here. And this is our plugin, and it's been already done. Now let me just pin this over here. I suppose it's fish slip, and yeah, it's pinned over here, as you can see on my screen. Now, moving further, I'll be showing you the demonstration that how it actually looks and how it's working. So for this, I have to I already set it up and deployed my API that I was talking about onto my repository. This is the Fish AI API that is basically on our server. It's we have a pre-trained model. So let me show the working. Then I'll be moving further with the technicalities how it's actually working. So as you can see, this is google.com, and we have a plugin over here. And after clicking this, it will show that if it is a actual site, safe site, or it is phishing website. So I clicked it, and as you can see over here, an AI enabled phishing detection plugin, and it's saying safe. So as we all know, Google is quite safe. So let's move further with some examples. So we have this Acunetics AQ card page, which is actually a phishing website, sort of phishing websites. So let me show you that how it works. It is going to alert us that it's a phishing website. And yeah, as you can see, we have got alert that it is a phishing website over here on the plugin, and okay, and it shows it's phishing and this website is not safe for the use. And we have some other functionalities at the same time, which is scan, email, SMS, and a website, which I'm going to demonstrate to further in this video. And another example I have is this Black Hat Wisher website, which seems quite legit, but it's not. It's also a phishing website. So let me show you again. As you can see, it also gave us phishing again. Phishing this website is not safe for use. Now we have some two features implemented in more features implemented in this plugin. Apart from the detection system, we can go to scan, email, or SMS. It is going to redirect us to a website which is fish.abhinandanpurana.studio. And here, what we can do is we can actually type in the text, and it will tell us that if it is a spam or it is not spam. Either it may be your email or SMS. So I have some examples written over my notepad. Let me show it to you. So we have this example, and let me paste it over here. As you can see, I've been searching for the right words and etc. etc. So this is not a spam text. It seems quite legit. So let me show you. So yeah, it's not spam. On the other hand, let me show you. This seems a bit fishy because we, as you can see, we are having some garbage and not not familiar website address, and some garbage characters as XSS Mobile Movie Club. So it seems quite fishy as well right now. But let's see if it can detect it or not. So yeah, it detects the spam. This is a spam. I have some other examples as well. So as you can see, let me copy and paste. So this is how basically it works. So let me get into some technicalities that how it is actually working in the file structure and all the things. So we are going to start with the Fish API, which is our backend server where our phishing model is actually working. So let me show you. So yeah, yes. So what we have actually done is we have this app.py. In this we have taken the code and written the code. We have segregated some classifiers for classifying that if the website is actually your phishing website, safe website or not. So we are using some 10 to 15 or 16 classifiers to classify that website is phishing or not. And at the same time, we have used a pre-trained SVM model.pkr, as you can see over here. At the same time, we have web scraps some websites that feed into the database, your data set. So let me show you the code that how it is actually contributing. And yeah, so we are using the Flask API. We made a Flask API to actually work with it because it's not easy to actually make the connection between your Chrome extension at the same time as your Python backend machine learning. So we thought of making a API endpoint slash host using Flask, and at the same time we are using our SVM model.pkl because it is very fast. It's a pre model, and we are checking some classifiers such as IP addresses and check for the presence of @ in the URL, your URL length, slash, double slash, HTTP or CPS, your tiny URLs, your prefix suffixes, and etc. Web scraping, domain age, your web traffic using Alexa, site info, and etc. We have many classifiers mentioned over there. You can also check it on the documentation that we have provided on our GitHub repository. And yeah, so at the end we have made an API endpoint, which is your slash post, which is actually accepting our all the data from our front end. So let me show you next thing, which is our the. So I already showed you the implementation. Let me move on to our the SMS server. Yeah, SMS spam reduction. So as you can see, let me show you. So what we are doing here is we have done first data cleaning EDA, which is your exploratory data analysis to actually see and cut short the data and make it like analyze the data, what algorithm we can use and how we can make it accurate and all. So we are using these many things like steps to produce like SMS email spam classifier. So text preprocessing, model building, evaluation, let me get fast to what we actually did. So we are using many algorithms as you can see over here. Let me show you clearly. So using SVC, KN, NVNA, DT, and etc. So there are many algorithms, and we have the accuracy and precision. So that we use many algorithms, and using that, then we are going to use DFIDF to actually like convert the data to bits, and then again collectively take these algorithms and make like it actually helps us to bring the precision more. So let me show you the end and this is actually after doing TF-TIF, system frequency inverse data base frequency, converting it to database like numeric frequency so that it's way better to get the precision. And after doing all this and EDA and all, everything our accuracies and precisions are actually increased by from 90 to 97%. And our final accuracy was, let me show you over here, it was 97.8% and our precision was 93.2%. So this was all, and let me show you the another feature of our website of our plugin is visit our website for more services. So we have planned to add some more services in future, and this is our website that how it looks, and we'll be adding some social media phishing tools and everything. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for my side.